Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Osama Siddiqui and this is my first video on this channel, Technical Tarzan, where I will be sharing a lot of product reviews, platform reviews, application reviews, how to make money online. Since this is also new to me, I hope and pray that this will be beneficial for myself and you as well. So today I will take you through the app called Make Money, through which you can earn a lot of money. The process is slow, it takes time, you have to be patient, and also please share this video with people who are searching for work. I have never used this app before. I have seen a couple of reviews about it. So this is my first time using this app as well. So without any further wait, let's dive into this video. So first of all, go to your app store, search for Make Money. This app will pop up. Make Money dash Earn Easy Cash. I have already installed it in my phone, so I'm just going to open it. Before I proceed any further, this app is available on App Store. I think this is also available on Android. You can just search for it and let me know in the comment section if you are unable to find it. I'll just read through because this is also my first time going through this app. Welcome to Make Money, earn credit, complete simple tasks such as surveys. Okay, so you're supposed to complete surveys, give your opinion and collect credits. Get cash, redeem your credit for real cash via PayPal account. So you need to have a PayPal account in order to use this app. I'm just going to skip this part and start the process. So I received welcome gift of 30 credits. Moving on, I'm just going to click on get more. And then these are the list of tasks. Task of the day, World Series of Poker. Play World Series of Poker. Complete level 51 within 14 days. Redeem your points. For 60,000 credits, play World Series. Okay, new users only. So this is for new users. I am just going to skip this and go back and look at the other things. So I think in this app, you need to just complete tasks, play random games, attendance reward, check in daily. If you just check in daily, okay, congratulations, 20 credits. Want to earn more credit watching a short video? Yes, why not? Let's see. Video not loaded, try again in a few seconds. Okay, I'm just going to skip it. Since I've already earned 20 points, so there are multiple tasks, games and different kind of things that you can do here and earn credits. I will just skip this part, the task part, and go to the balance part. So now this balance part is showing me that my Make Money application has 50 credits which were credited today. It's just giving me the breakdown of my credits. And if I go to payout, so first of all, I think I need to link my PayPal account to this one in order to start earning. If I earn 5,000 credits, I'll receive $5 in my PayPal account. It's similar for 20,000 and 50,000. So that's a lot of money, guys. I think the more you use this app, the more money you will make. I will just go to the settings now and see how it works. How do I link my PayPal account to this? So it's taking time for privacy and policy to open. Okay, terms and condition. What are the terms and condition? Terms and condition is also taking time to open. This is a simple app. Okay, I am just going to click here. Your credit is not enough to request this payout. You can gain more credit completing offers. Okay, I think let's just take one task. For inviting a friend, I will receive 100 credits. So that's just one person and I will get 100 credits. Your code is this. I will invite now through WhatsApp. So I've already invited a friend here. Earned reward by answering awesome surveys. You confirm that you are at least 16 years old. I am. Continue. So this is also my first time using this app. I think it's pretty easy. It's pretty straightforward. Almost there. First, we'll ask you a few profile questions to find you are the right survey. They're asking you to give honest answers. Try to be as honest as you can. All right. So you just have to press next. Once you are done, this is the page you'll see. Your profile is complete. Click the button below to be matched with suitable survey. So I tried to take a couple of surveys here just to see if I can earn these 160 credits. I found that I am not the suitable candidate to take that survey. It can be because of multiple reasons. Maybe the target audience which the company has set for the survey, you don't fall into it. That is pretty much it right now. So I'm just gonna go back and see if there is any other way I can earn money. So I will just complete a profile task. I will use my name, Samad Siddiqui, and my email address. Congratulations! So I just earned 50 credits again. Cool. I'll go to the balance section and now the credit section is updated. So I'm assuming once you complete your 5000 credit points, then this app will ask you to give your PayPal account details so that it can transfer the money to your account. Take some time out every day, 30 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, whatever you can, and use this app. Earn money, see how it works for you. If it's good, do let me know. I will use this app until I earn 5000 credit points and link my PayPal account to this app and see if I can actually earn money through this app or not. Since this was my first time, please let me know if you have already used this app. If there is anything I have missed, do share your feedback in the comment section. I will see you in the next one with another useful video. Do subscribe to this channel for more content like this. My name is Mohammad Osama Siddiqui and you're watching me on Technical Tarzan. We'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.